Oh Nkosi Massive. I'm trying to change for her, cause everything I do to her is so unfair. Same mistakes every day like I didn't care. Not like I love it, cause I knew that shit could destroy a pair. Such a bleeding heart could make you look like he's a coward. Did it for the streets, so to hang I choose umphakathi. So my nigga fucking ndaba yokufela ngaphakathi. Been running away from the truth, but I will pay like my shots. And you can run forever. Use a grown man now, it's time to get the cheddar. I told my niece to skip varsity. You feel so left out cause it happened to me, and I'm worried she won't find a way out. Njengeli dlozi lathatha over ngakhohle yami inhliziyo. Now I'm so confused, angisazi ukuthi yini okuyiko. Ngabe impilo yami yikona ebengifuna ibe yiko. Bengifuna ukuthwala ikhaya kwathi ukhona uMichael no-Abednego. Man, I'm trying to tell my story. Never did this shit for anything like glory, but they gave me, started doing it daily. Those were top deck days, you say rap, you didn't have to beg me. Lost my sister a couple of days ago. Now I'm writing verses cause she always told me not to forget the goal. Make mama rich and you even more. Never cheap on your people cause if you stumble, yeah, well, you know it all. Sometimes I'm mad like I don't know where I'm heading. Still broke but my 350 pending. Unemployed cause a nigga been looking. On the watch cause this niggas been switching. I don't know, is it me or is the weed I've been smoking? Since it's cut sning, his business sehluleki. Kepha impilo iyayenza lonto mangabe uyibona ingaqhubeki. Angithi uzwela kwami iyona into ebeyingenza ngingalaleli. Engathi bungangiphi indlebe nje wena kuphela ungangiluleki. Kuma esidabukisayo manje usuyangijabulisa. Ngoba inkinga zomhlaba ungembethe phela wophephisa. Kona konke nje ukuthula ikona ebengikufisa. Lathi usize iphuza la lezo inhlungu lokuzozihlisa. Hey, damn, I was supposed to be talking about my birthday. It's the birthday bars. Kinda stress, you know. Oh, Nkosi.